Friends, have you ever wondered how farming is done in foreign countries using high-tech machines? Today, we're going to show you some amazing machines that will truly blow your mind. Number 5. Flame Weeder Tractor. Have you ever seen a tractor that shoots fire? This tractor has special burners attached to it that burn and destroy weeds growing in the fields. This helps clean the fields without using chemicals and allows crops to get more nutrients. Number 4. Carrot Harvester. While it may take a person a long time to pull out carrots one by one, this machine can harvest carrots from an entire field in just a few minutes. It pulls the carrots out of the ground, separates the leaves, and collects the carrots in one place. Number 3. Big Bud 747. It is one of the largest and most powerful tractors in the world. It has an extremely powerful engine, and its massive tires give it the strength to pull heavy equipment across huge fields. It can plow very large farms in a short amount of time. Number 2. Paddy Transplanter. This machine is designed for rice farming. Although it looks small, it can plant hundreds of seedlings in the field within minutes. The work that once required dozens of people can now be done by this single machine. Number 1. Combine Harvester. This is a machine that can perform several tasks at once. It first cuts the crop, then separates the grains and stores them in a tank. This saves a lot of both time and labor. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these amazing farming machines, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting documentaries like this.